Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today with another small project share. And this project share is going to be featuring this beautiful cutting die set from KOKOROSA Designs, as well as a couple of other things from my stash. Also, I am using the hashtag One Stamp Wednesday, hosted by Laura from Laura's Plans and Crafts. And hashtag One Stamp Wednesday is simply a project that you can post on your channel, and it needs to be something you can mail in an envelope with just one postage stamp. That can be a card, a small folio, a folder with ephemera in it, a pack of stickers, just anything you can think of that can go into an envelope to a crafty friend or a family member with just one postage stamp. So anyway, today I'm going to be featuring a little card, but let me first show you the products that I used. I am using the paper collection Spring Fling by Echo Park, but I don't have that to show you because I've already put it away. But I am using a couple of sentiments from this stamp set from Dollar Tree that my sister Lisa gifted to me. I'm using the Hello stamp as well as Just Because You Are Sweet. So I'm getting a lot of mileage out of this stamp set, so that is really useful pack. It's got a lot of sentiments in there that are great for many occasions. Then here is the die set, and it comes with this plate that cuts out a number of flowers, and what this does is it cuts away this portion of your card front. So it's got a nice border on it here, and each one of these flowers, it cuts it so that the petals can flip up. So this can be like a 3D card front. It also came with these 3 little flower dies here, but I didn't use these in my project this time around. And I'm also using a couple of gems from this pack that I got from Temu. I am getting a lot of use out of this as well. So I'll have a link in the description box below to this die set, which is called Beautiful Flower Border. And I will also have a link to this product on Temu, so if you're interested in any of those, you can go get those. Don't forget about my coupon code Enis25 to save 25% off your order. And let's see, so with that, let me grab my little card that I've put together. So here it is, and you can see that it features the flower petals that are all popping up here. Those small flowers are doing the same thing. I do have a really busy background here, so some of the flowers it's hard to tell. So I did kind of ink around the edge just to give a couple of the flowers definition. This flower is featuring a flower from the Happy Crafter shop, so I thought that looked kind of cute on there and gave it a little bit of contrast. Then I have my flat back pearl gemmies on a few of the flowers, and then I've got some diamond type gemmies in the center of these flowers, and they all came from this pack right here. So anyway, so with this part of the page missing, I decided that I would just glue a piece of vellum the size of the card front on the inside here, so it makes a complete card front. Then I just took some 65-pound cardstock, I stamped hello and popped that up on some foam tape. The inside is very simple. It just says Just Because You Are Sweet, but it gives me plenty of room to write a sentiment to my crafty buddy. And then I used my punch board and I made a little envelope here. This envelope I didn't put coordinating paper inside, but I could very well do that if I wanted to. So that is my project today. Here is the die set by KOKOROSA. Don't forget about that 25% off coupon code Enis25. And hashtag One Stamp Wednesday, hosted by Laura at Laura's Plans and Crafts. I will have Laura linked in the description box below. Be sure to give her some crafty love. And that's what I've got for you today. I want to thank everybody for stopping by and catching this video. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love it if you would click the subscribe button, then hit the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video, and you won't miss out on any of my crafty projects and fun. So with that, I'm going to say goodbye, and I will catch you all in the next crafty video. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.